as I do my blocks, I'm going to do all the same colors. So this, I've switched from a dark color, which was the black, to a light. And so now my eyes need to adjust because it's so much different. All right, I still kept my light low. I did not turn my light up. So I've locked it into place. And now this tape trick here, we're going to see if that works, what I had in mind. So let's go ahead and we're going to do the heart first. And this is mainly just following the heart. It won't be perfect, but we don't need perfection here. I should correct that. I don't need perfection here. All right, now I can decide to either come in or not. I'm just going to come down a little bit. Go back up. And then meet it back around. I'm going to come beyond it. And then just stay in place with it like that. And cut it. Alrighty. I'm going to do just what's on here first before I go meandering all throughout it. So. Lift, and you have to lift your foot so that it releases your thread. Otherwise, the thread is going to be hard to pull. We're going to start right here. Okay. Let's get the thread to come out. It's right. Whoops, did I think I got it? Yep. Let's see here. If I got it all. Yes, I have it. It's just over the foot. There we go. Okay, we're going to come forward. Let's take that off of there. I did not quite get that circle, did I? Okay. That's weird looking, but hey, better than nothing. Let's clip the first part over here. And we're going to try this tape. Alrighty, so if it doesn't work, that's fine. If it works, that's fine. I'm going to go on the outer side, but I'm going to end up crossing over on the tape. Let's see what we got here. How big of a mess could we have? We shall check it out. And I am really hoping that this tape worked. All right, let's see. Well, it ripped itself off there. That's pretty good. I'll keep it in the... Whoops, I got some on my finger. Oh, it's coming off better than I thought. Let's see if I can snip this. that is off. And let's see what we can do here. Can we get it off? Keeping in mind, this is 2 pieces. Yep, it's all coming. Look at that. Oh, and it did not tear a stitch one. Okay, so this is your ruler height. Okay, so this is going to go down. And then my needle would go in there, which goes right into the hole. And I am going to do, on this one, just for practice, we're going to do it like that. And what you do is, normally you would come in here from here, but I'm not coming in because I've got it blocked off. So I'm just taking my ruler. And I'm going to put it down. We're going to do the same thing we did before. The only difference is it's going to, now you can determine how far you want your needle. So first I'm going to grab my thread. Okay. Now the big thing is holding this down because I don't have it held down with anything. And then you just move along here, just like this, all the way around. Just like this. And now I realized, well, you'll see it here in a minute. So what I should have done, and I'm trying to think, I can probably do it from here without taking anything off. So I left it in place, but keeping in mind my needle is over to the left. So when I went this direction by not moving it, and it's not in the middle now, not centered, it made the little, I'm going to call this a dewdrop, smaller than the actual size. Now I'm going to lift my needle. I'm going to put it in the middle. So I'm going to move it over. So it's in the middle. Oops, wait a minute. Is this the middle? That looks like it's about in the middle. Although that doesn't look like it's in the middle, does it? Let's see here. I don't know if that's the middle. The problem is that this thing doesn't move with what the machine is showing. That's the thing. Okay, now it's in the middle. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around this as I keep hold of it. So let's lock it into place first, and then we're going to go around it. And hopefully you're high enough that my hands don't block everything, because that's going to be the big issue, is not getting to see it. I can't get this up any higher. Let's see here. Can I get it closer? Maybe that'll help. I don't know. Let's see if that'll help. Okay. And then you'll see what I'm talking about. Hopefully nothing has moved. All right, here we go. Okay, and then I'm going to show you. I got to be really careful or I'm going to end up with puckers. So let's pull this out and we're going to take a look at it. So first off, it has puckers right here, which I'm not crazy about because I do not like puckers. But take a look at the 2 lines. See, it came down here and then it's the inside line right here. So it's the inside line and then it went and it's the outside line. Alrighty, to say I'm disappointed in the least, I took it out. Yeah, I know people say, oh, you can't take it out. Well, you know what? Yes, you can. And I did. So there. That's what I'm saying. I took it out and that's it. Alrighty. I am not going to use the rulers. If I do, I will just show it to you when I do it. I'm not even going to use it on the practice. I'm just going to practice on this. And let's see here. I need to go. I've hit a snag here. I'm not quite sure why. Okay, I need to take it out because it's knotted up. Let's see what's going on. My bobbin is... What's going on here? It was caught on my foot for some reason. Oh, it got a little white. Surely that little white piece of thread didn't get in there and cause all that, did it? Huh. That was kind of odd. All right, let's make sure by taking the plate off here and take a peek. Let's look at this. I don't see anything in there. And where is, here we go, it's not my bobbin, it's acting all right. Let's put it back in. My machine's not dirty, so that should not be an issue. My feet are down. Everything looks good. I don't feel anything on my needle. No burrs. I just had an issue there. That was kind of odd. I feel like I'm in one with these ovals. I feel like it's a gear. That's what I feel like. I'm doing a gear here. Okay, let's go over here and we'll start. Let's see if we can. Don't have to take everything apart. I definitely don't want to take everything apart. I'd like to continue after this video and start doing some of these. Okay, let's try this. It's not making any noises, so it seems to be okay. Just traveling down the edge, that's all that is. Okay, let's see if we can get in there. Okay, now we need to go into the heart, I do believe. Little piece there. Okay. All right, let's see here. All right, let's cut that off because that's a big distraction. All right. Let's see if we can. I'm going to try not to turn it. Okay. That's good right there. Alrighty, so let's take a look at it. I don't like that my pencil mark is still on there, but there's nothing I can do about that at the moment. Alrighty, here we go. So that is the second practice piece. So that's it for this video, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do the tops, and as I do something different, like when I go around some things or whatever, I'll go ahead and I'll make a video so you can see some of the different things that I do. But I will stay with all the ones that are made out of the t-shirt fabric first, then, and all the dark ones. Then I'll flip to the lighter ones. Then from there, I will go to the cotton fabric, which is that lighter blue with the black, they look like palm trees, but I'm not quite sure if that's what they are. So I hope you all like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. I want to welcome all the new subscribers. And keep in mind now, I hit the 4,000 mark, so I will be building a box as a giveaway. I haven't decided what all is going to go in it, but you guys know it's going to have at least some fabric and some little notions. Maybe a couple other things. All right, so I'll see you all next time. Again, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.